The showers have went off, so I take these light units off the back. I'll reuse them, but what I'll do is I'll get new reflectors and new rubbers, and so these can come off. It's not going to affect anything. Just some wee, I think they're 11 mils, probably a E&F, a fuckwit size, but 11 mils the same. So if you'll be using the battery ratchet, but this will be fine. That's off, and see how the wires disconnect. Yeah, I've got this. Take it, that just pulls it, does it? Is that tape? Half now. That's a wee bit of that. Cool. Right, I'll do the same with the other side. Down it polished a bit, so save it. I'm not going to do it until the wheels and whatnot are on and it's been checked. Ah, right, earth's onto there. Wondering why there was only one wire. That's the power wire. Ah, I see. Alright, take that off. Take that unit off and that'll come off. I'm at this other side, look. It's been furnered. It's got roofing bolts in it, and the square nuts. Right, I've got the shifting spanner onto them. It's and it's past life. We'll sort that out. Yeah, dirty thing. Keeps coming on and off the end, but I'm not eating. I'm just playing with this. Right. Spanning on it long ways and you can. Stupid bloody thing. Oh. You can't even get the heads of them. So yeah, that's we got both of these off. So see, I can strip them in. Off all that paint off. Something I can do then, it's not going to affect anything else. Get a bit of primer on it. So I'll take these units off if I can get them off. You don't even need to take the bodies off. Aye, good. Something I can do. I said one with the nuts. I don't know if they're sided like, but the one with the nuts is off this side. This side. Because the other one had the square nuts. Cool. Right, Sunday afternoon, I've tidied my shed. I've been working at that bracket and light, but I didn't need to make any more videos of that. Plenty of that. Done the other side right. Don't know what this is. It's either tips or brush cleaner or something to that effect. I'm just going to put it onto a rag, try and rub it into this carburetor and these bits I was working at the other day. I've got other thinners there, but I want to make sure it's the right one it is before I use it, so I'll use this in there. I'll just put it on a rag and rub it right in about it. See, agitate it a bit, then go and get some dinner. Maybe come out and get a wee paintbrush and do it again. I don't know what this is, but we shall try. Right, I can't find my wire wall to work away at the engine bits, so what I'm doing is got a spanner on this front light at the bonnet. These aren't the original, these will not be coming back on, I don't think. But I might as well. There we go, take them off the nut. Use a ring spanner, crank ring spanner, because the wire goes through the middle. Ah, it's drizzling the rain again, isn't it? Typical Sunday. Typical day. There we are. There we are. Gripped washer in it. Spacer thing. I'm going to call it tonight. Cleaning out these carburetor bits, scraping away wire bow on it, fuel pump, thermostat housing at the top of the engine. I did the dipstick tail, like somebody had been stirring the paint in the dipstick, that was annoying me, so. This thermostat housing at the top of the engine there. Going to do the other side. I've been at the distributor again, the alternator again. What else on this side? Right, the thermostat housing. Scrapey, scrapey. It's coming.